Hello, good afternoon, grade 3. How's everyone? Are you ready? Yes or no? Hello, Pim and Pai. Hello, how are you? Pim and Pai, good, good. London, how are you, London?
I'm good.
Good, okay, great, great, great. Garfield, how are you, Garfield? Okay, so are you ready? So please let me remind everyone to mute your microphone. Close your microphone and and prepare your book as well as your pencil or pen.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we will answer some pages from your book. So get ready and we will start right now. Okay. So let me share to you my screen. Can you see it? Can you see my screen? Yes or no? Can you see it now? Okay. Can you see it? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you see now? All right. So today we will gonna talk about patterns of numbers. Okay. Again, patterns of numbers. So this will be found on page 29, 30, 31, and 32. Okay. This is patterns of numbers. What is patterns of numbers? Let me show example. So example number 1, number patterns with counting up by same numbers. So here we have 4 oranges and then the next number will be 8 and the next number will be 12 and the next number is 16. So this pattern is counting up. Okay, how did you get it? How much? Counting up by how much? So this is 4. The next number is 8. So we add 4. Okay, we add 4. And then next number is 8. We add 4. It becomes 12. And then 12. We add 4. It becomes 16. So the number pattern is counting up by 4. Did you get it? This pattern is counting up by 4. Okay, grade 3. Are you following? Again, let's repeat this. 4 and then 8, 12, 16. So this pattern is counting up by 4. So from 4, counting up by 4 is 8. And then counting up by 4 is 12. Counting up by 4 is 16. Did you get it? Grade 3? Okay, if you get it, let's look this example number 2. So example number 2, we have 50. Look at the pattern. 50, the next is 100. The next is 150. And here is missing. And then the next number is 250. Now, what is the missing number here? This is also counting up by how much? Anyone? This is counting up by London, go. How much? This is counting up by
50.
correct. Very smart. This is counting up by 50. So if we have 50 here, we add 50, we can get 100. And then 100 add another 50 becomes, we can get 150. And then 150, add another 50. What will be the number here in the box? Who wants to try? In the box, what is the next number here in the box? If we add 50 and 151. Now, Garfield, what is the number here?
200.
Correct. Very good. 200. So you're gonna put 200 and then 200, add another 50. We can get 250. So did you get it? This is counting up by 50. All right. Grade 3. Did you understand what is patterns of number? Yes or no? Did you get it? All right. Did you get it? So let's answer some pages from your book. Okay, this is on page 29. Turn your book on page 30. Okay, 30. Turn your book, page 30. So exercise number 1. What are you going to do is consider each pattern and write the missing numbers. So we have five problems here that we are going to find the missing numbers. So look at the patterns. Are you ready, grade 3? Are you ready? Yes or no? Okay, are you ready? Any question? Do you have any question? Teacher, I don't know. Teacher, go back. Again, please. Okay, ready, grade 3? Page 30. This is your book. And then this is the page. Page 30. All right. Are you ready? So consider each pattern and write the missing numbers. So again, grade 3, this is counting up. Okay, we are talking about counting up by how much? Let's see. Number one, let's go. Number 1, what is the first two numbers? So we have 37, and then the next number is 40. So this is counting up by how much? Counting up by Achi.
43.
Counting up by 3, no? So you will add 3. So 37, add 3, we can get 40.
3.
Yes. So what is the missing number here? Achi.
43.
43. Very good. So we add 3, 43, and then we add another 3. We can have 46. And then what is the next number here? If we add 3, 46, add
49.
very good, 49. So the relationship of this pattern is counting up by 3. Okay, next, number 2. How about number 2? Look at the first two numbers, 50 and then 54. What is the relationship of this pattern? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Punpun, go. How much? Counting up by? Punpun, are you raising your hand? Okay, go. This is?
50, 54, 58.
Very good. How much? What is the relationship of this pattern? This is counting up by? Counting up by?
4.
Yes, so we will add 4. This pattern is counting up by 4. So we have 50 plus 4, we can get 54. And then 54, another 4, we can get 58. Okay, did you get it? Next, 58, add another 4, how much? 62. We can get 62, no? Next, 62, add another 4, we can have 66. And then 66, add another 4, we can have what number? Here.
70.
Very good, 70. Okay, very good. So thank you so much, Punpun. Good job. Good job. Next, number 3. Who wants to try? Pass. Pass. What is the relationship of pattern number 3? This one. Counting,
Oh,
counting up by 4 again, correct? Yes or no? Yes. This is counting up by 4. Huh? So 28,
36.
add another 4, we can have 32. And then 32, add another 4. What is the number? 36, correct? Yes, 36. So we can have 36 on the first gap. 36. Now 36, add another 4, we can have 40. Huh? 40. And then 40, add another 4, we can have 44. Okay, here, what is the missing number? What will be the next number here? 44?
48. 48.
Correct, 48. Very good. Very good. So 48. So this is counting up by 4. Next. Number 4. Who wants to answer number 4? Anyone from grade 3? Oh, pass is already done. How about the others? Garfield. Okay, go Garfield. Garfield. What is the pattern or relationship of the pattern? How much? Counting up by?
210.
No, I'm asking you. What is the relationship of this pattern? This is counting up by how much? 50. Very good. This is counting up by 50. So if we add 60 and 50, we can have 110. All right, Garfield, what is the next number? 110. Add another 50. We can have
200.
100. Correct. 100.
100.
160.
116.
Very good. Very good. Next, we have 160 at another 50. We can have
210.
very good 210. So 210 add 50, we can have 260. Then 260 add 50, we can have 310. Here, Garfield, what is the next number here? 310 add 50, we can have
316.
correct 360. Very good, Garfield. So next, 360 add 50, we can have 410. Okay, grade 3, are you following? Did you understand patterns of numbers? Easy or not easy? Easy? All right, so let's go to number 5. Who wants to try number 5? Anyone? From grade 3, what is the relationship of this pattern? This counting.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Yes. This is counting up by how much?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Who is talking?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Okay. Who wants to try number 5? Anyone? Number 5. Try number 5. Who wants to try number 5? No? Number 5. Raise your hand if you want to try number 5. Garfield again. Pass again. Oh, Yada, go. Yada. Yada. Go, Yada. Number 5. What is the relationship of this pattern? This is counting up by how much?
35.
25. Very good. This is counting up by 25. So we have 415. Add 25. We can have 440. Next, 440. Add another 25. We can have, what's the next number? Yada. We can have tick tock, tick tock, tick. We can have 440 plus 25. We can have equals Yada, are you still there? Who can help Yada? Pleng, go Pleng. Where is Pleng? What is the next number?
65.
Very good. 465. Okay, now 465 plus 25 again. What will we have? We can have what is the answer? Yada, go again. Yada, this is yours. 465. What's the next number?
419.
Correct. 490. No? 490. Okay, now last one. 490 plus 25. We can have, what's the next number?
500.
Yes, 550.
55.
Very good. 515. Huh? Okay, now 515 add 25, we can get 540. And then 540 add 25, we can have 565. All right, grade 3, sorry. Did you understand what is patterns of numbers? Yes or no? Did you get it? Yes or no? Or any question? Teacher, I don't know. So this patterns or this relationship is just counting up. Okay, this pattern is counting up, meaning you will just add specific number. All right, next page or next exercise number 2. Okay, we're still on page 30. Exercise number 2. You are going to identify the counting up. Again, this is counting up of each number. So you will just identify, okay, what is the relationship of this pattern. All right, so number 1, let me give the answer. Let me explain to you. 225, and then the next number is 250. So here on the first two numbers, we can see the relationship of this pattern. So this is counting up by, what do you think? Counting up by how much? How much is it? Anyone? This is counting up by, Pleng, go Pleng. This is counting up by how much?
350.
Yes, but my question is correct. What is the relationship of this pattern? This is counting up by how much?
Counting up by 25.
Very good. So you will write here plus 25, correct? So you will write for number 1, the relationship of the pattern is counting up by 25. Okay, write plus 25. Okay, number 2. Number 2, who wants to try? What is the relationship or identify the counting up of each pattern? Number 2, what is the relationship of this pattern? Very easy. Pim and Pie. Pim and Pie. Hello, Pim and Pie. Hi. What is the relationship of this pattern? We have 400. Yes. Two. This is counting up by how much? Pim and Pie? Okay. How much? Go. Number 2. Okay. Pun Pun. Go, Pun Pun. This is counting up by?
Counting up by 3.
Correct. Excellent, Pun Pun. Counting up by 3. So you will write plus 3. All right. Number 3. Who wants to try? Number 3. Anyone? Who wants to volunteer? Who knows the answer for number 3? Number 3? No one? All right. Let me call pass. Pass, go. What is the relationship of this pattern?
50.
Very good. Counting up by 50. Nah? Good job. Next, number 4. Who wants to try number 4?
Me.
Not you. You are already
Me.
done. Okay, let give chance to someone. Okay, number 4. What is number 4? What is the relationship of this pattern? We have 100 or 705, and then the next number is counting up by how much? 709. What? How much is it? This is counting up by gone. Gone. What is your answer? Gone. Gone. Counting up by do not write. Pass. Let your classmate answer. Give chance to the others. Okay. Yada, go. What is your answer, Yada?
4.
What is it?
4.
Yes, counting up by 4. Okay, the answer is counting up by 4. Okay. Do you have any question? No question? So let's move to exercise number 3. All right, grade 3. Let's move to exercise number 3, page 30. Here. So how to do this? We have to write the next 4 numbers. We have 4 blanks here, 4 boxes. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. No? Numbers of each number pattern with a counting up by 25. So meaning you will add 25 to each number. Oh, let's try to answer number 1. So from 30, we start at 30, add 25. What will we have? Okay, this is all counting up by 25 anyway. Okay, I will give you time to answer this part. I will give 3 minutes. Okay, grade 3, 3 minutes. 3 minutes to answer this exercise number 3. 3 minutes, go. 3 minutes, go. Try. Counting up by 25. Okay, counting up by 25. Go. Exercise number 3. No? Page 30. All right, let's answer number 1. Who wants to answer number 1? Anyone? For number 1, what's your answer? Tick tock, tick tock. Volunteer. Any volunteer? Achi, go, Achi. Achi. What is the next 4 numbers? What numbers?
55.
40, 55. Yes, 55. Next.
80.
80. Very good. Next.
105.
Very good. 105. Next.
130.
Excellent. 130. Very good. Next, number 2. So adding or counting up by 25. What's the next number? Who wants to try? Number 2. Number 2. Okay, Captain. Go, Captain. Captain, what's the next 2 number?
43. 43.
Very good. 43. Next.
68.
Correct. 68. Next.
93.
Very good. 93. Next.
118.
Correct. Good job, Captain. Very good. Thank you. All right. Number 3. Number 3. Who wants to try? Okay. Who wants to try? Counting up by 25. Oh, Yada, go. Yada, go. Yada, number 1. Number 3. First box. Go.
Okay.
What's the next number? Here.
230. 200.
230.
235.
39. Yes. 239. Next. What's the next number? Okay. Okay. 239 plus 25. What will you get?
200.
Yes.
206.
60.
16. 5.
264. Okay, next. What's the next number?
200.
4 add 25. 80.
289.
Correct. 289. Okay. 289 add 25. 300.
300.
What's that? 300 and
20.
40.
20.
Okay. Yada, thank you. Good job. All right, this is the answer for exercise number 3, grade 3. So did you get it? All right, so next exercise number 4. No, number 4. Okay, let me check too. Okay, exercise number 4. You are going to write the different number patterns with counting up by 50. Now counting up by 50. So go, another 2 minutes. Counting up by 50. So go, 2 minutes. Grade 3. We don't have enough time, so we will continue it next week. Okay, this part we will answer this on next week. All right, grade 3. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone for listening today. Okay, goodbye everyone. See you on when? See you on next Monday. Okay, see you on next Monday. Goodbye everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.